If you're trying to print something on your HP OfficeJet Pro 8610 and suddenly see the message missing or failed printhead, don't worry. It's actually a pretty common error, and it can happen to anyone. Sometimes it appears right after replacing the ink cartridges, while other times it shows out of nowhere and prevents your printer from printing. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 proven methods to get your printer working again. And yes, if you need help along the way, just dial the numbers on your screen and an expert can guide you through it. Alright, let's start. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Reset the printer. While the printer is turned on, unplug the power cord from the back of your printer. Unplug the other end from the wall outlet or power adapter. Wait for about 60 seconds, then reconnect the power cord to both printer and power outlet. Once the printer powers back on, check whether the error has disappeared. If it's still there, let's move on to the next method. Method 2. Align the printhead. On your printer's touchscreen, swipe down from the top and open Settings. Scroll down and tap Printer Maintenance. Select Align Printhead. Tap Continue, then allow the printer about 2 minutes to complete the alignment process. When the alignment finishes, check if the error is gone. If not, don't worry, we still have another solutions to try. Method 3. Update the printer firmware. Make sure your printer is connected to a stable internet connection. On the printer display, open Settings. Tap Printer Maintenance. Select Printer Update. Accept the web services terms of use if prompted. Turn on Update the printer automatically and allow the printer to install any available firmware updates. After the update finishes, check if the printer error has been resolved. If the problem still persists, printhead itself may need to be replaced. Method 4. Replace the printhead. Keep the printer powered on and open the front access door. Wait until the ink cartridges move to the replacement position. Unplug the power cord from the back of the printer. Lift the printhead latch, then carefully remove the ink cartridges followed by the printhead. Install the new printhead, then lower and secure the latch. Reinstall each ink cartridge into its matching color slot. Close the cartridge access door, reconnect the power cord, and turn the printer back on. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.